pretty big day today. They're going to be laying out the exact foundation now. Got some guys bending rebar for the cistern. What a difference a few days makes. We've got guys down here cleaning out the mess from the cistern flood. Everything's pretty much dried out. Little surprise, there's a huge chunk of concrete down there we didn't know about. This is the back corner of the lot, and you can see there's a storm drain there that we're going to have to hook into somehow or other. Before we moved the dirt around, the lot was about that level, so it was no big deal, but when we scraped the organic matter off the lot, it was below this, so we had a big flood back here. It's all dried, but looks like a desert after a rain.
Enderezala. Igualito, exacto, 244.
It turns out that the slope of the lot, including raising the lot that we knew we were going to have to do to begin with, about 18 inches, is going to be the perfect place. We can add the pool and not have to dig down into the ground, and we don't have to excavate any for the basement. So Francis's supposition that the lot is perfect for putting a basement in was technically correct, so it's a great idea. It's Monday morning. We've had 3 days of dry weather, 2 days of real sunny weather. It's sunny today, and there's all kinds of activity happening. I got here about 10 o'clock or so, and everybody was already hard at work. And there's like 5 guys in the cistern digging that out right now. Clear wire to tie the rebar together. All the measurements for the height of the lot. Starting to put the forms in for the base of the first cistern. This will be the rainwater cistern. We still got to dig the other one out before they can do anything over there. They use a fid to tie the rebar together with the clear wire. Progress, bar by bar. More progress. They've got the rebar up an inch or so off the ground so that somebody can get up under it. So far so good. Slight correction. They did some calculations and found out that we're going to have to remove about a foot or so of this part of the lot to accommodate the basement, which isn't a whole lot really, half a meter. So the width of the basement will be where that stick is pounded on the ground, down to just about where that clod of dirt is, a little bit past that. So it's just the meaty room part's about 15 feet wide, which is substantial. Good news is we found the water pipe. Now we're looking for the sewer. Curly mud. Well, I learned something today. This wooden barrier is not where the foundation is going to go in. Notice that all the way around the lot it's a different level. That's the elevation of the foundation. That's how high the foundation has to be. The actual house is going to be a straight line where that nail is down to where the string is down there. That'll be the wall of the house. Okay, there is the line that will be the wall of the house where that string is. I don't know how well you're going to see it. At least we have it now. That'll be a starting point of how they're going to mark the corners of the house. instructions.
Cualquier problema pueden llamar, se lo cambio.
Sí, sí.
They still have a lot of work to do on that part of the cistern where it caved in from the flood the other day. It's a lot. We can't get a piece of equipment in here to do it, so it's all by hand. They're making some progress in the main cistern and putting some forms in. It looks like they dug out the main cistern. This is the one for the water from the street. That one is for the rainwater. They've got that done. They've got some forms in. They'll probably finish up the forms today. They finally dug the water pipe out. I guess they'll be hooking up a hose bib or something like that here. Possibly tomorrow, because they're going to have to make some concrete here.
Nos vamos a voltearlo, esta para allá.
Maestro connected to plumbing
Voltearlo así para allá.
to get some water.
Maestro, busque la saqueta, como.
Es las cargas del tubo que no me deja cortarla.
There it is. We got water. Francis says we'll have water tomorrow when they turn it on at the pump station, and they also say they found the sewer, so it's been a pretty productive day getting ready to lay some concrete.